So I'm going to be showing you guys a cool trick for how you can make the text and font size bigger on your iPhone 15. Now I'm going to be using the 15 Plus for this example, and this will also work with basically every iPhone out there. And if you're having a hard time reading the text on your iPhone, there's really two different ways of changing the text size on any iOS device. And the first is going to be in the display settings and then through accessibility. But let's do the display one first. Now I'm going to hold this up to the camera so you guys can see it really close, but when you go into your settings, click on display and brightness, and then you're going to see this option where it says text size. Now you can actually drag the slider in either direction if you want to make it bigger or smaller. And this is, basically how you do it. Now, I actually prefer it a little bit smaller, but like I said, if you have an issue with just seeing the text because it's too small, you just go to the right and then you're good to go. Now, the second thing you can do, and I would actually leave this as a second resort, is to go into the accessibility settings on your iPhone, and you're going to want to click on the zoom option. Now, basically what this is going to do is make everything a little bit bigger as far as like app icon sizes and things like that. But when you do this, it is going to make the, text and font bigger as well. Okay, so those are the two ways to make it happen. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. I'd also like to point out you can get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.